What is going on, guys? Ghost here, and today we got some parts in for the truck. We're gonna do a little unboxing. Ooh, another unboxing. Oh, I love parts. If you don't know what this is, wait and see. But we got some boxes here. We're gonna go ahead and unbox, and then we're gonna do mail time. Yes, we have mail, and then we'll do some other stuff. So let's get started. So here, go ahead and unbox this. I've actually had this one for quite a while. There we go. This is some fancy unboxing technique for there. Oh yeah. And we'll just take that around. Oh. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this right there. Oh yeah. So I didn't really unbox this or anything because I was just waiting for when I wanted to do it. Packing slip. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of this box. We got this unboxed. Now this is a stock OEM fender. This is going for the Super Ram. This one just has a couple of dents and everything. And I could have worked it out myself, but it was just really cheap. Just in right here has a little dent. It's just cheaper to just go ahead and might as well just buy another fender. Now there's supposed to be another one here. All right, so there's supposed to be another fender coming in today because I ordered the passenger side. Well, this other box came in. FedEx delivered it. It said it was supposed to be on the truck. My other fender was supposed to be here. Well, FedEx put that delivery exception failure or some kind of deliver in the future. I'm like, what? So I called and they're like, oh yeah, well you said you didn't want this delivered today. I was home all day waiting for this stuff. I don't understand why I would have one package delivered today but do not want the other one till tomorrow. So I called and I was like, no. So it's coming tomorrow, which is ridiculous because I've had trouble before with FedEx. I was here at my shop, doors open. I live on a one-lane road. It's like, you know, when they come up, FedEx didn't even come up on their mountain and said I wasn't home because they didn't want to deliver. So I have trouble with FedEx all the time. But I do have another fender, so we have two new fenders for this. We're going to build a custom hood scoop. I got the stuff to do that, so we're going to start on that eventually. Like I said, when parts start rolling in, we're going to start working on trucks. So this is the fender that's going to go on it. Looks pretty good, actually. All right, so that so we have new fenders for the truck. This is the cool part. Now, the truck does have a quarter intake and everything on it, so made it breathe a little bit. But this is even cooler to make it sound even better. Ooh, pace setters. All right, so I ordered a set of long tube headers for the Super Ram. This should make it, that 360 in that truck should be singing. It's gonna make it sound really good. All right. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, I like that. That's gonna look really good. So, I don't know if you can hear, but there's a screaming donkey in the background. Anyways, these headers right here, they are pace setters. They are the long tube pace setters. And they, now, I was going back and forth because they're actually really cheap. You can get a pair for like $200 to $250. The long tube, because that's what I wanted. But they're not ceramic coated, and I didn't want it to turn over time and look bad or anything. So I got the ceramic coating. Just going from a like just regular chrome or or kind of like the stainless, or even just painting like, I think, flat black, it went from like $250 to $480. So these costing around like $480, but I think it's going to look good sitting in there. It's going to look really good. And like I said, we've got to get the exhaust work done. We're going to come out the rear of the bumper in the slot cutout. So it's going to look really good. Really good. Or we could just go ahead and mount them right there beside here. That'd be a lot of America right there. That'd be almost enough America as wearing USA swimming trunks in a kiddie pool, laying in the front yard, drinking a Bud Light, playing bingo at your family reunion, America. But I think we'll put them down there because they probably won't do too good up here. But yeah, wobble! Nobody's coming out the wrong end. It's gonna look good. Alright guys, so I posted like a link to a mailbox, actually open mailbox, because people want to send pictures and everything like that, and I encouraged to, you know, draw some pictures of trucks or whatever, as I was going to put it up in my shop. I was going to make a whole wall of nothing but pictures and everything, which I would think would be really cool. And I did. I actually checked the mail, and I had a couple of them, like 4 of them so far, so we were going to do it. And I always said that I was going to do it on camera, so all of them will always be on camera. The first one, this is a sketch by Nathan Brown, aka Homeless Gaming. His YouTube is is Homeless Gaming. So, and he drew a 92 Dodge D150 first gen. Oh yeah, if you could see that, check that out. That's awesome. Oh yeah, you gotta love the first gen. And make sure you go check out his YouTube. Put it right there. And when you check it out, tell him Ghost sent you. And he also sent a picture and said my first gen Dodge Ram Charger is a 1985. And if you can see that. Now these things are awesome. I love the Ram Chargers. I really do. My cousin actually had a Ram Charger. I think it was like a Prospector edition or whatever, and like you can't, I mean, the older vehicles you cannot beat. Like he hit a rock with it, and it literally hurt the rock more than it did this truck. So the Ram Chargers are really great vehicles. So make sure we'll show that again, because I'm a big Dodge fan. So I really like that. So thank you, Nathan, for sending that in. Thank you. Let's move on to the next one. All right, we'll read this. Says, Dear Ghost, I have been watching since you had 51,000 as a little while ago. If you could, in a video, show my drawing, well, we can certainly do that. Check that out. Oh, yeah. And on the side it says, is this big enough? Oh, yeah. And it's got dual hood stacks, and it's rolling coal. Even says roll the coal, America. There we go. All right, so it says I really ain't a talker. I would like to say I'm not either, but apparently I am. A lot of people says I am. So it's gonna be short. Calvin is the one who drew this. It says his friends call him Grom. So either Calvin or Grom drew both. The same person drew this. And so thank you for doing awesome. Thanks. Thank you. And also I'm a Dodge and Ford fan. He does hashtag Ford, hashtag Dodge. You're a good man if you're a Dodge fan. Just remember that. Alright, so here's the drawing again. I like that. Oh yeah. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Alright, so he folded up into an airplane. So I had to do that. I didn't want to unfold or anything yet because I want it to be like an airplane. I just probably couldn't ever get it folded back up. But Sean Weeks drew a first gen. Look at that. Oh yeah. You gotta love a first gen. I think everybody is in love with first gens, and I am too. They're just really nice trucks. You gotta love the classic. Alright, on to our next one. This one is a drawing of a, let's see, is a second gen. This is from Garrett. I'm not going to pronounce your last name because I'm terrible at pronouncing names. And my girlfriend is too, because she was trying to help me. I was like, I don't want to butcher somebody's name. But, as you see, we have a green 2nd gen rolling coal. Look at that. Even has the ghost on the window with American flag. That is awesome. And it's even got a lift kit. Whoa. Alright, this is hi, my name is Garrett. Let's see, let's see. Love the videos, keep it up, and the truck is a 2nd gen. I like it, I really do. And I got another picture on here of, it says the ghost, and he's got the ghost logo, which is the same as my tattoo, and it says the Super Ram, which is actually sitting right behind me. And that's kind of the focus point we've been working on here lately. So I like that. Thank you. All right. So these was the first letters I've ever received. Received 4 of them. First ones I've ever received. Now, if you have sent some and everything, it's probably on its way. I usually I start checking the mail because I actually open the mailbox and everything up just for it. So if you sent some, they should be on its way, and I will get them. And when I do, I'll make a video. But since these are the first 4 that I received, and this is the first mail time, which I want to thank everyone for sending those, because they mean a lot. It really do. And it takes a lot to post videos every day and everything. Even for a little bit, I kind of took just a little break, just been really sick, but it takes a lot posting videos and stuff. But when people say love watching your content, love your trucks and everything, it means the world to you. And since y'all were the first 4 to do that, I am going to send, this is a ghost sticker, my logo, which is the tattoo. I'm going to send one of those, and I'm going to send a hamster wheels. This is the hamster wheels logo. These are decals. I'm going to send them to y'all for being the first 4 to, each of y'all will get a set of those. I will send them to y'all for being the first 4. So thank y'all for sending it. And if anyone else would like to send mail and would have their picture hung up in my shop, when I'm still working on it, by the way, my shop in the description is the P.O. box. So now, time to move on. Alright guys, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, at gsparks11. I post a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of, I mean, you know, like the pictures of the headers and everything are on there. This video ain't coming out, doesn't come out till a couple of days after I post that. So make sure you follow me on Instagram at gsparks11. If you have vehicles and stuff, tag me, because I love seeing other vehicles and stuff. And I'll try to message everybody back, but I get a lot of messages, so it's hard to do that. But if you follow me on Instagram, you knew that, when was it? A couple Tuesdays ago. Tuesday before last. We went to Bristol, Tennessee, and we went to see Street Outlaws race. We actually got to, I don't have my hat on, but I got it signed by Murder Nova and Asian. And we met Farm Truck, we met Big Chief, met Doc, we met all of them. And they're really cool guys. Like, you know, when you usually meet people, you're like, oh, but they're really cool guys, like down to earth and everything. Well, he's actually standing, you could actually bet money with Farm Truck and Asian. Like, they would bet you $20, and you know, be like, oh, I got 20 on that car. They would bet you money. So that was actually really cool. We didn't do it, but we seen other people like win and lose their money. But anyways, I took a couple clips on my phone. They're not going to be the best, but I figured I'd show them with you. So we're going to roll those clips now.
Tiếp vào thôi. Another 20. I don't like any of that, but yes. How about your bird? 20? I'll take bird. I got bird. 20 on bird? You got bird? Yep, I'll do that. Bird's got it. That's these $20 more in my pocket. Everybody's going chugging. I think you're racing back, ain't you? Day's always good away from home, so it's hard to beat. Baby sound good. I hate this. I would. Just plug that one out and reel on.
Woo! He automatically lost.
He knows he's good.
Jump.
Yeah. He killed him off before his son. Come on, man. Somebody bet you some money on this one.
Who wants to pay?
Big Chief. 8 miles.
Big Chief's got it.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the clips of the drag race and everything, and I hope you enjoyed mail time. Again, thanks to everybody who sent stuff. And again, if you want to send anything of pictures you drew or anything to have them put up in the shop, send them to the P.O. box down below. And I guess that does it for this vlog. I know it's kind of short, but I just had to take care of a couple things, and I want to do an unboxing and show what some parts we got. I'm actually making an appointment to get the exhaust done on the Super Ram, and we're going to put the headers and everything on and have the whole exhaust, you know, coming up. And again, we're going to start on Colossus here and then the first gen. Just a lot of stuff to do, but hey, we got to keep doing it. I love projects, and that's the cool thing. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.